this is Guy Clapperton, Media Mentor, with another video tip for you. Today, I'd like to talk to you about checking everything that goes out there on your behalf, and also checking that third-party applications, stuff like that, are actually working and doing what you think they are. I'm going to give you two examples. Over the Easter holiday, we had our daughter come back from college and visit us. It was lovely. One of the things she said to me was, "Do you know, one of the things I really like about you, Dad, is your Instagram feed. All those identical pictures of you coming out every other week, exactly the same. It's consistent, it's wonderful, and it's not at all boring." I thought, she's trying to tell me something. So I had a quick look, and I thought, okay, those are the header of my weekly, or sorry, fortnightly tip sheet. So all you have to do is click on them, and then you'll find, oh, I found absolutely nothing. The link wasn't working. I've got to go and have a look at what I've done wrong in terms of configuring that, because she was quite right. All there was identical pictures of me every other week. I was pretty embarrassed. Luckily, I had someone there to tell me it was going wrong. Unluckily, it was my tax-free daughter. Still, there you go. Some you win, some you lose. Another person who didn't seem to have anyone there to check things were going okay for them was the person who yesterday sent out a big mail out, I think it was on one of the social media, about the magic formula for business. There is only one magic formula you will ever need, she said. She put a letter R on the end of formula. Now, I'm not one of these spelling dictators or something like that. I know people are dyslexic. I know some people didn't have an advantage of a good education. Some people are just not that great at spelling. You don't have to be, it's not obligatory. But what it did tell me about her business practice was that she didn't have anyone there checking over to make sure things were going okay. So do make sure that if a communication goes out on your behalf, someone else checks it, preferably not your daughter, because you will never live it down over the next year or so. And if you'd like any help with your communications, if you'd like any help with your interview practice, if you'd like any help with media training, please do get in touch with my assistant, Nikki Chipperfield. That's nikki@clapperton.co.uk, and she'll set us an initial time for talk. Thanks very much indeed. Speak to you soon. Bye.